Flashback.
Okay, we are on the way to Shivasamudra. This guy, his name is Arun, and he's riding this Harley Davidson. Yeah, I mean, Shivasamudra Falls is somewhere near Kanakpura. Kanakpura. If you are coming from Bangalore, you have to take the nice road and take the Kanakpura, diversion, and you have to go straight and put on the maps. You'll get to know, but that's the way to go to Shivasamudra. It is basically a Kaveri water which flows there. So you just wanted to explore that place, which just 102 kilometers from here. So I'm riding my motorcycle. Arun is riding with me for the first time. So what do you think?
It's going to be a great journey, I believe, and a lot of enjoyment ahead. Right?
या अभी क्या है हमारा प्रॉब्लम क्या हुआ है इसका बाइक निकाले मगर कभी राइड पे कभी गया ही नहीं जब से हार्ले डेविडसन लिया है जयनगर घूमता है बेंगलोर पे
नहीं झूठ बोल रहा है जयनगर भी नहीं अपने सिर्फ मोहल्ले में घूमता हूँ
गाड़ी चालू करने का और बंद कर नेक्स्ट स्टॉप इज वासु होटल इन कनकपुरा वेयर वी आर गोइंग टू हैव अ डोसा व्हिच इज वासु होटल इज फेमस फॉर masala dosa. This guy has not tasted even I have not tasted it. So we are going to go there. Actually, after a long time I'm vlogging, my hand is paining. If I hold like this, it's paining. I have put on around 10 kilo, 15 kilo.
So now he is overall 125 kgs as of now.
My bike is struggling to
handle him.
I mean, it's not crossing even 110. All right, see you on the other side.
Bye guys.
So we have reached the Vasu Hotel, which is one of the famous dosa hotel in Kanakpura. So this is the Vasu Hotel, my boy.
My God, yeah. Today we are going to have masala dosa here.
Let's get in.
Finally, with a lot of struggle, I got it. Yeah. See the stuff inside? Yeah, so yummy. Looks yummy. Yeah. I thought it is really tasty. When as soon as I eat it, melts in the mouth. That's great. That's good. Let me taste. Let me have a taste. Okay. Taste it. Yep.
आधा टेबल के भारी है डोसा. Actually, we came around 50 kilometers, I guess, because from Bangalore it was showing on 102. So we have taken this after Kanakpura, after having a nice dosa there in Vasu Hotel. It was really good actually. The taste, the dosa was like just melting. So what we were telling, like the dosa was just melting in our mouth. It was really tasty. Like, but only problem is it was very crowded and you have to stand. There is no place to sit and eat any food because if you are taking any old people with you, just make sure that you park the car outside, get them dosa outside. But we were comfortably, like, there were no seats, but dosa was really nice. But it was, for me, it was very heavy. I mean, for you, I don't know. He just swallowed it.
You can just imagine with the weight. Okay, so for him, if it was heavy, for me it was like super heavy.
Yeah, but still we have to go this route. It takes around 47 kilometers. After that, we have to take a diversion as per the Google map. Again, there are two settings in it. I probably might be knowing. When you enable the Google map, you get you're taking the car or two-wheeler. So we have set it to the car. That means that it will not take us to the shortcut route. So we will go on the car way only, just to make sure that we will not get confused with the roads. So we have come here to have a chai after this Vasu hotel break. After this, we are going to stop directly in the destination. Okay, see you then.
So guys,
End of flashback.
Okay, so finally me and Arun reached to Barchuki Falls after riding around 50-60 kilometers from Kanakpura. And while entering, they asked us the COVID test and all. So I had a test which was done 3 months back. I showed them up. Actually, they wanted a very recent test, but it was not available. And this guy, they did not ask him any test at all. He came on offer. I showed mine, but he came on offer. They didn't even check him. But anyways, this location is really cool, and the people are taking photos, and we are getting a little bit disturbed. On the way, by the way, we made two friends here.
come on guys.
Your name?
Kumar.
Kumar.
Come here. He's Kumar and he's Chandan.
Chandan. So
Right here.
these two guys are also from Bangalore, but this guy stays near Bannerghatta, where we stay. And what do you do, guys?
Actually, we are doing fashion designers. But actually, so today we came to see this Barchuki. Barchuki
Just for a weekend
just for
trip
fun,
and
just for
weekend
fun.
trip. So how you guys came? Like bike or?
By bike.
By bike. Yeah, so
Yes,
they-
bike riders.
Yeah, so they are also bike riders. Nice to hear that there are more bike riders coming in this
Company
location.
while going back.
Yeah. So and the COVID patient, let's go. Hey man, sit. Hey, bye bye.
Hey, bye bye man. Take care.
ये बंदा जो है बिहार से आया है और बिहार से आने के बाद कर्नाटक में पहली बार घूमने के लिए आया है, नहीं तो वो काम की वजह से ही गोज़ टू हैदराबाद ऑल ओवर इंडिया बेसिकली. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक मिस्टर?
So
एक्सेंट नहीं चाहिए, ऐसे बात करेंगे हम लोग. एक्सेंट कभी कभी यूज़ करते हैं, क्या घंटा हो
बस दिखाने के लिए I mean you know this poser guy.
थोड़ा जोर से बात करो, माइक पकड़े कहीं.
You know this poser guy, right? तो ये accent का कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, but frankly speaking, Karnataka weather is really very awesome. If I
Especially
compare-
Bangalore.
Especially Bangalore. If I compare with my hometown, Bihar, that's my state. Basically, I belong to Darbhanga. तो वहाँ का जो hometown का हमारा weather है and यहाँ का जो weather है, it's like completely different. So it's like completely pleasant over here in Karnataka. And finding some good friend like him, it's like a blessing for me. So
Yeah, I mean like we just hang around. अभी क्या है, गाड़ी में घूमने का, टू व्हीलर घूमने का मज़ा ही कुछ और है. बहुत लोग पूछते हैं साला गाड़ी इतना खरीदा, इतना पैसा दे के खरीदा क्यों है, इतना पैसा का में कार आता था. मगर उसको पता नहीं है. The dog only knows, you know, if someone is taking the dog inside the car, it know why it will put its head outside the window. ये something like doesn't mean हम दोनों कुत्ते हैं.
though you can assume that. Hey guys, just stop. Actually, I want to reveal a fact. This guy told in the initial starting of the video that he is going to show off you Siva Samundra Fall. But actually he fooled you, okay? And
No, we got
he
fooled
took-
by the Google Mata.
and he took us to some other place.
Yeah.
I don't know the place exactly. Which Chuk, something Chuk. Barachuka.
Barachuki Falls.
This is Barachuka Fall. Barachuki Fall.
Barachuki Falls. It's already 125. So we had that Vasu Hotel Dosa, and yeah, it's still not digested. Actually, after the Kanukpura, the road is superb. I mean, it's like you know, you're riding on a you know, what do you call it?
Traffic-free road.
Butter. It's a traffic-free road. It's very cool, you know, to ride and all. But only thing, we started at 8 o'clock, 8:30 in the morning. If we would have left at morning 6 o'clock, we would see fog and mist and fog and everything around. So, but anyways, this is the part of the ride. इसके बाद हम लोग खाने के लिए निकलेंगे. किधर खाना खाने के नहीं?
खाना देखेंगे कुछ अच्छा मिलेगा तो किधर, बट रोड साइड ढाबा.
हाँ, रोड साइड ढाबा जबरदस्त रहेगा.
हाँ, नो होटल, नो बिग होटल, ओनली रोड साइड ढाबा. खिलाओगे.
चलो, see you.
See you guys. He want to do some.
I'll catch you in some time.
Yeah.
We came to Shiv Samudra finally. It is very close, near to Barachuki Falls, and yeah, this is the third point of Shiv Samudra, because you can see in the video. So nice. We just and this guy, you know, he wanted to take off his shoes. He did some jugaad here. He's tying it to the belt, and we are getting inside. I mean, we are going inside now. Let's see. A lot of people there. I'm wearing a riding shoe. Of course, it's a waterproof, but it's too slippery. अरे मेरे को अंदर आने के लिए हो ना, शूज पहन के बैठा हूँ. So again we've stopped while going back to Bangalore. We have to travel another 67 kilometers. अभी कैसा क्या हालत बताऊंगा. 8 महीने के बाद गाड़ी चला रहा हूँ. गाड़ी ये शरीर में सब यू नो हाथ पाँव पैर सब बात करने लगे. ऑलमोस्ट मैं थक गया हूँ, क्योंकि बॉडी को एक्सरसाइज नहीं है बॉस. कितना 8 महीने से काम कर रहे, घर से काम कर रहे. और अभी सब सही है. अभी घर जाएंगे और क्या दिखाना है सब दिखा लिए. अभी रोड तो ज़बरदस्त है, यू नो, इट इज़ रियली नाइस. Abhi 67 kilometers we need to take again diversion. That is a nice road. Chalo, see you guys. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to Outlander Pradeep. And I know like there was a lot of gap in between, but I'll make sure that it won't happen again. So if you have not clicked the subscribe button, please press it.
Thank you, viewers.
All right, thank you very much, and we'll catch you up guys very soon. Take care. Shabba khair.